Hey guys, welcome back, and guess what I have for you guys today? It is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus versus Boxycharm, finally, for the month of January. So I am going to be unboxing both of them for you guys. I'm not going to be trying them on because, as you can see, I already have makeup and stuff on. But we will determine, or I will determine, which one I think is the better value for this month of January. So Boxycharm, this is not the luxe, this is the regular. This is $21.99 per month, and it has amazing stuff in it every single month. And then we have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is not like the regular Ipsy. This is like the Ipsy on steroids box. And this one is $25 per month. This one used to bring a makeup bag. I think it was every 3 months. I'm not exactly sure anymore if it was every month or every 3 months, but it no longer brings the beauty bag, like the makeup bag. So this one's $25 and this one is $21. So I'm going to be doing Boxycharm first. So what we have in Boxycharm this month is called Boxy and Chill. And then you have all of your products on the back. So my box variation was number 2. There was different variations of the lipstick and the eyeshadow palette. And I don't know if something else as well. I feel like there was something else that was also like a variation, but I'm not exactly sure. The first thing in here is from Briogeo, and this is the Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I really wish that boxes would stop sending me this because I have several. I don't like it. A lot of people love Briogeo and this thing, but I really don't. I'm not like interested in it. The times I've tried it, at least in my hair, it doesn't really do much, so I don't like receiving this. But this is the first item in here, and this retails for $12. The next item in Boxycharm is the Billion Dollar Brows Universal Brow Pencil, and this retails for $18, and it has your spoolie on one end, as you can see, and then it has your pencil on the other end. This I really like because I like to try different brow products, even though I'm obsessed with the Winky Lux one. So that's probably going to be my holy grail for life, but I do like trying new ones. And then of course mine is in a like brownish dark color, obviously. Next thing in here is from Tatcha, and these are the Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. And I want to try these out soon to let you guys know what I think of them. I've been trying out a little bit more masks. This is not like my 100% style, but I'd rather have these masks than like the peel-off masks. I kind of like these masks better because they're less annoying and they're easier to take off. So yeah, we got 2 of those from Tatcha, and those retail for $24. The next thing in here is from Ofra, and this is the Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Miami Fever. And I believe this was, yeah, this was a collaboration with Kathleen Lights. I always wanted to get this color. I was never able to, so I'm glad I got it. And this has the new packaging. And I'm going to swatch this for you because I am going to keep it. So this is like a beautiful terracotta color. I love it. It's gorgeous. It's like an orangey, reddish, brick terracotta color. So I like it. And then the last thing in here is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. There were a lot of people complaining, thinking that they got the same palette months back. I believe that the palette we got months back was Volume 2. I think this one, it was either Volume 1, 3, or the Sizzle one, which I was dying to get the Sizzle one. But we got Volume 3. There were very few people that got the Sizzle one. So this is what the outside of it looks like. And then on the inside, the colors are really beautiful. On the inside, you get these colors. I will not be swatching this because I'm not sure yet if I'm going to be keeping them. I don't even think the camera's picking up the colors nicely, but they are very pretty colors. Like this one over here is like a pinky champagne-y color. I don't know why the camera's not picking them up that good. The names are Treasure, Escape, Tiki, Heat Wave, Malibu, Rays, Compass, and Jewel. So they're very beautiful colors. Now we're going to move on to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and see what we got in that one. So the little pamphlet says, Happy New Year, Ipster. Ring it in fierce with your January Glam Bag Plus. And then we have this huge like pamphlet of stuff that tells us what everything is in the box. And here we go. So first thing in here is from Murad, and it is a multivitamin infusion oil. And this is multi-action oil. Well, it says multi-action oil infuses skin with 6 key vitamins essential for a healthy, vibrant glow. And this retails for $72. And it's like a full size, so we've got that. Next thing in here is bubble wrapped. And this is a perfume. It has a skull on it, which is, I don't know. I don't like skulls, guys. This is the Tokyo Milk Dead Sexy Eau de Parfum. And this is $36. Let's smell this. That kind of smells good. It smells manly though. This smells good, but it smells really, really manly. It doesn't smell like a women's perfume. If I smell this, I think of a guy. Like literally. This smells like a man. It literally smells like a men's perfume. Next thing in here is from Wander Beauty, and this values for $24. This is the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. We got this once before in Boxycharm. This mascara is pretty good. I use it every so often. This has kind of like a semi-cupped wand, and it's a good mascara. The next thing in here is from Vasanti, and this is the Matte Crush Lipstick Pencil. And the color is It's Your Mauve. Like probably It's Your Mauve, but it's your mauve. And this values for $23. And this lipstick looks like it's up my alley, so I will swatch this. Oh, and there's a sharpener inside of the box. Oh, that's cool. Are we supposed to sharpen this? This doesn't look like it could be sharpened. This is weird. This is really weird. Okay, so this is the lipstick pencil. Let's swatch this. Oh, yes. And it's so creamy and soft. This is the color right here. Oh my God, that is so beautiful. I love this. I love this. It's so soft and creamy. I feel like it could melt, literally. And I don't know why this has to be a sharpener. Like, what else is this gonna be in here? It's in here. It looks like a sharpener, like literally, and I don't think you can take it out. And I don't want to like break the box. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll break the box. Let's see what this is. So it has a Vasanti sharpener in the box. Can we sharpen that? I didn't know that. I didn't think we could sharpen that. So that's cool. I like that. If we can sharpen it, I'll be happy. Next thing in here is from Ico London, and this is the Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. And this is lash enhancing, and it's black. So another thing I forgot to mention is that in January's box, we did get 6 items for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus because they were no longer going to be including the makeup bags. I don't know if this is going to be an every month thing, but in this month it was. So did I tell you? I told you how much the pencil was. The eyeliner is, I didn't tell you how much that is. $22 retail. And the last thing in here I'm super excited about, and this is the Violet Voss HG Fun Sized Eyeshadow Palette. And this values for $18. And this is a little like mini, it's so cute. I love this. Look how cute this is. And I'm loving the colors. OMG. The colors are beautiful. I'm definitely keeping this one because I want to take this to travel. So I'll swatch some colors for you because I am going to keep this one. So here you have 4 colors right there, which is this row up here. That's those 4 colors except like the one all the way at the end. That's beautiful. I love it. And then the orangey one. This is the orangey one. This is the gold champagne-y one. I like this palette. I definitely like this. And for travel, it's perfect. It's like a little mini size. You can take it with you. I'm loving it, guys. Okay, so let's recap what we have here. So, Boxycharm, we got Briogeo Leave-In Conditioner. We got Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. We got Ofra liquid lipstick in Miami Fever. We got Billion Dollar Brows brow pencil. I'm missing something. What am I missing? Oh, and we got the 2 Tatcha masks. For Ipsy Glam Bag Plus this month, we got the Violet Voss palette. We got the Black Magic eyeliner. We got the Murad infusion oil. We've got the Vasanti lipstick pencil with the sharpener. We got the Wander Beauty mascara, and we got the perfume. This is really hard, but I personally think this month I'm gonna have to give it to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And you know what's so funny, guys, that I was literally planning on like pausing my subscription because last month I wasn't like really happy about what I got, and I'm like, why am I paying $25 for this when I have Boxycharm for $21, and I love Boxycharm every single month. But now I want to stay subscribed, and I want to keep like filming these to see throughout the year which box takes the cake. So this month, January 2019, in my opinion, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus definitely takes the cake this month. I loved every single thing in there. I loved the things that I got there more than what I got in the Boxycharm box. Let me know your opinion, guys. I want to know your opinion. Which one did you like better, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus or the Boxycharm? So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and like and comment, etc., etc. And that's all, guys. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye, my loves.